Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your PayPal is verified. This lets you move funds with fewer holds. Once done, gather the physical or emailed gift card code and any PIN. Next, make sure the card type is convertible to PayPal balance or usable for purchases. Some store cards block transfer. Why this matters? Verification and correct card type prevent delays and declines. Now open PayPal, sign in, and navigate to Wallet so you can attempt the conversion or apply the code where supported. You now focus on conversion, add the gift card under Wallet as a payment method, or use the redeem option if your region supports it. Carefully enter the code exactly, include dashes or spaces as printed, then confirm the currency to avoid wrong balances. If PayPal permits a transfer, authorize the small verification charge if requested. Make sure to review fees and the expected processing time. Some transfers show immediately, while others take 1-3 business days because of risk check. To finish, verify your PayPal balance or activity log to confirm the credit appeared and the exact amount. If the transaction failed, pause and check the card is activated, not region locked, and has sufficient value after fees. Also confirm billing address matches PayPal if you added the card as a payment method. If problems persist, contact PayPal support with the transaction ID and card details so they can trace the attempt. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves holds or misapplied funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.